If you're seeing the error message, an error has occurred in Google Calendar, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your calendar working again. This problem is usually caused by a temporary browser glitch, corrupted cache, a bad cookie, or even an extension that's interfering with Google Calendar. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is reload the page. Sometimes Google Calendar just needs a fresh start, and a simple refresh can clear a temporary loading issue. If you're on Windows, press F5 or Ctrl and R. On a Mac, you can use Command and R. After the page reloads, give it a moment and see if the error disappears. If the message is still there, move on to the next step. The next thing to try is clearing your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores files and cookies that can become outdated or damaged, and that can cause Google Calendar to stop loading properly. To fix that, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and delete the cached files and cookies related to Google Calendar, or clear your browser data more broadly if needed. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen Google Calendar to test it again. This step often solves the issue because it forces the site to load fresh data instead of using broken stored information. If you still see the error, the next best test is to open Google Calendar in an incognito or private window. This is a very helpful step because private browsing disables most extensions by default and uses a clean session without your usual cache. If Google Calendar works fine in incognito mode, then the issue is probably caused by an extension, cookie conflict, or browser setting in your normal window. In that case, you can start disabling extensions one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Popular ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers are common culprits. If the error is still happening even in incognito mode, then the next step is to sign out of your Google account and log back in. Sometimes your session gets stuck or your account needs to re-authenticate with Google Calendar. To do this, click your profile icon, sign out completely, close the browser, then sign back in with the same Google account and reopen Calendar. This refreshes your account session and can resolve sync issues or loading errors tied to your login. After going through these steps, Google Calendar should load normally again. In most cases, one of these simple fixes will take care of the "an error has occurred" message. If you want more quick troubleshooting guides like this, make sure you subscribe, and if this video helped you, please give it a like so more people can find it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.